Alright guys, so I'm gonna pull the TMD skid plate off this old girl. So the skid plate is like, pretty scratched up and whatnot, but it's still good. This is a great product. There's no reason to replace it. I'm gonna pull it off and put it on the new bike, and we'll see if everything lines up. So in the previous video of the FMF pipe, we saw that the 19s have a little bit different style now. So I'm gonna have to cut away a little bit of area on the TMD skid plate in order to get it to fit up in there, but I don't think it should be a problem. I'm just gonna take my bandsaw and cut away little pieces. You could use a jigsaw, you could use a handsaw. It's just plastic. It's pretty easy. Because of this new bracket design, I had to kind of modify that. All right, so these skid plates are a pain in the butt to put in. I think the TMD design is probably the easiest design, how they have the two plates and then the hook in the back. The hook kind of holds it up. I really like that. So my kind of technique that I'm using is, first of all, I started this piece with these really long bolts. And that's just so that I could get a hold of it. I'm hoping that I can pull it down on one side and then have it not move around. And then I'll just pull the bolt out slowly and put this short one in. But so I have these long ones in, and then I got the front one in, just finger tight. And that was pretty easy because you can get your hand in here. So now for the switch of the bolts, I'm gonna wedge like a screwdriver in so that this thing stays put. It doesn't move around. And I want to make sure that when the skid plate's up, it has a nice wedge. So now I'm going to carefully pull this out. Actually, I'm going to push up, pull that out, and then replace this one. Oh, it's working. Yes. This was so hard the first time I ever did it. Okay, so I'm going to push up on the plate. Slowly, I'm going to wiggle this around, make sure it's nice and centered. Slowly unthread that, and then replace it with the long one, or short one. Oh man, this is the way to do it right here, guys. That is a good technique. I'm hoping everything is all lined up. This is my old skid plate off my 17, putting it on the 19. This TMD stuff's good quality. Still going, even the bolts. I thought I'd have to replace them, but nope. Just have to tighten everything up. I've got the OB skid plate. I think TMD is now making skid plate integrations of their own, so you don't have to buy this OB thing. Get it all in one. I'd love to carry their stuff in our shop. I think they're just really busy. I'm just gonna use a ratchet wrench. Nice protection there. So that's the install of the previously used TMD skid plate. It went pretty well. I'd be interested to know if you have any techniques on how to install it. I thought this was a pretty good idea how I did it, but you guys probably have something better, so share the knowledge in the comments. That's what I love doing this stuff, so I can learn from you guys as you might be learning some stuff from me. So thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at Trailbound Co, and you can see some of our different products at shop.trailbound.co. Subscribe to our YouTube, and we'll see you on down the trail.